Hello and welcome back to another video of Power Automate. So after a long time I am making a video on Power Automate. So in this video we will see how to get details from web element. Most of the time what happen, we will have similar kind of web element on web page and we have to extract data from that web element. Okay, so generally in this scenario we will take selector and loop by moving to next element. But in the Power Automate, there is a very simple solution. So here we will use extract data from web page action and we will get the data in the structure way, and after that I will show you how to write that data in a Excel. Before I start the video, it is a request to you, please subscribe my channel for upcoming video. If you like the content of this video, so please hit the like button. One like is a big support for a YouTube channel. Here I will use this bikewaller.com website. Okay, so first we will extract the name. After that we will extract the price, and also we will extract the uh, link of the this image. Okay, so let's go on Power Automate. First we will launch Chrome, and which browser you want to use, you can use like Firefox and Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Here I am using Chrome. Okay, so first go on web page and copy this and paste here. Also you can use variable, store this value in the variable, and here you can use that variable. Okay, so this way. Now our next action is extract data from web page. So you can see web page extraction. Okay, so we will take this action, take and drag and drop here. Okay, now go on web page. Now you can see this pop-up appear, and so first of all extract the name. Okay, so press Control and left click, and you can see extract web element. So here I want text. Okay, click here, and also I want this price also. Again press Control, right click, extract web value and text. Okay, now again our next step is also we want image of this attribute. Okay, so again press Control, left click, extract, and now you can see this is the screen image. So click on this. Now so these are, you can see these are a similar kind of element. Okay, so again same step we will do here. Okay, press Control, left click, extract element value, and here text. Okay. Now similar kind of action we have to do. Press Control, so you can see here this is the extraction is done. All only here I have extract two value, and now you can see here there is the created a table. Okay, so you can see here Bajaj Chetak, this is the our first element and value, and this is the link of our image, and here you can see this is the second, we have extracted this second element. So you can see this is the name and price, and we have not extracted this image. Now you can see their image URL is automatically appeared. Okay, so now this is extraction is done. Now click on finish. Now you can see, come down, And now you can see here the one variable is produced. Now save. Click on save. Okay, so first let's test it. Okay. After that, we will write that data in an Excel sheet. Okay. So now you can see this. This is the our data. We have extracted only two attribute, but here you can see we will get all the values on that web page. Okay. So now our next step is we will write this data in Excel. Okay. First, launch the Excel. Here I am using blank document. Okay, now save. Now, next step is write the data in the Excel. Take and drag and drop here. And nothing we have to do, only simple. We will pass the variable data from web page. This variable we will pass and here select on currently active set. This is the very simple step. And now save. Okay. Now again run and see. Okay. First launch the Chrome. You can see and extract the details. After that launch the Excel. You can see Excel is appeared and now our workflow is our workflow executed successfully. Now see the output of now this is the bike's name. You can see now this is the price and this is the link. Okay, so first copy this link and go on Chrome. Okay, new tab. And here I will paste the URL and so you can see this is the our image URL also. So this is the very simple way you can handle how to get details from similar kind of web element. Hope you like the video. Please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more video. I will see you in the next video with new topic on Power Automate. Till then, happy learning.